Hi friends, welcome to a new video where we demonstrate drawing some beautiful pictures. Let us start this video by drawing the picture of a house and its premises. When we were beginners of drawing, the picture drawn many times will be the picture of a house and a tree or something related to that. There was definitely a house, a sun, and some flying crows and birds. And so we are now drawing the picture of a house and its premises in different dimensions and in different landscapes. I know we are no more beginners, but we are making such pictures in an advanced level. We have now seen two houses with different designs and different modes. So we are now going to the third picture. This is the picture of a house in a foreign country in a winter season. So as you can see, there is a tree, a cone-shaped tree. We call it as Christmas tree. Then you can see snow as well on the top of the house. We are drawing the next house. This house has a circular window at the top portion, and then we have the door. We're drawing the other windows. Here also you can see a Christmas tree, what we call Christmas tree, but this is a picture taken from the daytime, so we don't have to draw snow here, but we can mark the smoke there, and the sun is shining bright in the sky. Now we draw the next picture. This is also a house and the shape of the door may be different. This is in a hemispherical shape or a circular shape. The windows are also in a similar shape. Okay, coloring this makes very beautiful. Now let us move to the picture of next house. Here, as you can see, the roof is not having a straight line edges. Okay, so the edges of the roof is in a curvy or in a smooth curvy shape. So that is a difference that we can note here. Then we can add other details to the picture and color it to make it very attractive. We draw the next picture. Here is also we can see a house and the door is similar to that of the previous house, but the view of the house is different. We also have a hen and its chick in the garden. There is also a rainbow. Okay, this is a different one. This is a mushroom house. Have you ever seen such a house? Maybe or may not be. But anyway, these are some fantasy of our dreams. So we can imagine such beautiful trees. That may be one of our dreams. Tree houses are there, mushroom houses are there. So this is a beautiful mushroom house. So for that, the roof of the house is like a mushroom. So we have drawn that. And there are some spots, some circular spots on the roof, and when painting, that spots will be painted with a different color. And now we can add some more details to the picture and color it. A beautiful mushroom house is now ready. We construct houses for people as well as our lovely animals. So we are now drawing the house of a puppy. Do you have a puppy? Okay, so this is a house we have created for a small little puppy, and we are drawing the house with pink color and the puppy with black colored pen. So we have created that, and the clouds are drawn using blue colored pen, grasses are drawn using green. Now we can move to the final picture in this video. So this is also a house, and such houses have been drawn in the previous pictures. It is similar to those pictures. Anyway, we can add more details like smoke and sun, and we can give a smiling face to the sun. Okay, that is very good. So that's all. Thank you.